Uh, Back Hunter, back with another of my finally Common Rider stuff review. I actually just picked up the last of my stuff last night, and I just finished the review for the double driver, so now we're going to be doing the acceldriver. Um, it's got a nice picture of Excel on there, picture of the Excel memory of the driver. Uh, Both Excel in his full body and just his helmet. The top is red. Says it has lights and sound. DX double driver, or no, Excel driver. Sorry. Um, on the side, it has Excel with a picture of the contents of the build. Same picture on the top, just picture with the Excel driver and the Excel memory and half of his head. Same on the bottom. On the back, so the Excel memory going into the driver. Um, then the picture of the belt, and then just big picture of the driver, then how to operate the controls. Okay, so enough of the box. Oh. This is the belt that comes with it. Now, unlike the double driver, this one you actually can, take off, put on very easily. It's just a plain belt, no fancy little designs like the double driver. Not to spoil anything, the back of the belt actually does come off. Well, that's basically just where the buckle goes on. There's two. Shit. Why didn't you go in? You can actually see the size of the belt. Yeah, there's no way in hell this would ever fit me. But the buckle is really nice and molded. Really nice designs both in the front and the back. This is the driver itself. I'm gonna leave the driver off, but I'll just show you what it looks like attached to the belt. Yeah. To get it off, there's a button on the top here. You just press and big left button, press, and it pops off. That's the back of it. The front, really nice and big, which was surprising for me. And of course, we have the Excel memory, which is the loudest and most annoying, but it does have some good qualities. So, it had some really nice kind of orangish red color. It's compared with Heat. Heat is a lot darker, and also yeah, it's a lighter orangish red, light. Okay, so we put it into the belt like so. And I am sorry for doing the memories in backwards for the other review. That would kind of be another backup blooper. Okay, put it in, you get a startup sound, and yeah, idling engine. You can read it as many times as you want until engine. There's a light, a nice big light there. That's the only downside is when you pull the memory out, there's a lag between the power off. Oh. Okay, to do the maximum drive, take the clutch. Okay. You can put other memories in. Where is here it is. I've been wanting to do this for a while. This is quite neat. Okay, now when you put other memories in, this one is actually a little bit different. I'll show you it with the Joker memory too. Just Prism memory kind of works well with this. There is, however, one big fault. See, basically, you have to hold this down to do the maximum drive. Okay, now I'll just do it with the Joker to show you how different this would be. Okay. So you have to hold it down to do it. Same with the basically what happens is when you put it in there, there's a button that keeps the henshin button down. So you have to hold it like that to get the maximum drive, and if you let go, it'll automatically reset to henshin standby. There is actually one neat thing about this memory, though, that it actually does kind of make up for the lag. I'll show you. I think that's kind of cool. All you have to do is just, you know, it even works in the maximum drive slot too. Just it's another. So Accel, it is nice and loud, but it is kind of a flawed memory. Um, um, the design elements on the driver itself are just amazing, especially the chrome for the thing. It says XL and then one. I don't know if you can see it, but 1 to infinity. Um, I actually did thought that was just a little mini uh, gauge where the light comes through, but it's not. This is just molded on this red switch right here. This does not turn. There's a clear plastic thing for the clutch. It's kind of like the switch. You can turn that all the time. There's a white arrow that tells you which way to turn it. And if you want to actually just take the belt off, all you have to do is just, there's two buttons on each side, two black buttons on each side. Just like that. I'll just show you really quick what happens when you put a regular like a GG memory in. Because these actually are just one big button, you'll basically just get the same sound. Jeez! So, my final thoughts on Accel are, it is a good toy, very well designed. The memory is a problem though, but, you know, you kind of have to have it in order for it to be show accurate. It does look nice. I especially like the A for XL. It's a speedometer type thing, but it is flawed. And also, I gotta say this about Terry Rue on the show. I cannot stand Hin Shin. I can't stand that. Just say Hin Shin. That's it. That's all you have to say. But no. All in all, I give it maybe about a 4 out of 5. Loses points because of the flawed memory and because it's a little harder to use with other memories. Actually, I don't know if you can. Yeah, look on the inside. I don't know if you get it. Probably not. But on the inside, I just noticed there is one big pin sticking up all the time. That's probably for the henshin, and then there's one that moves up with the clutch. So, all in all, except for the memory, it's a pretty fun toy, but you could pretend like you're kind of revving a motorbike when you're like that. I was going to actually get a nice picture of this in front of my dad's bike, some control handle, but I'll have to do that some other time. So this is just one of 4 today. I'm going to be doing the Memory Gadget series some other time, because I do have Den Den, and I just got the Stag and Frog Pod last night, and the Beetle phone's still coming, so but yeah, interesting toy, not as good as the double driver, not as fun, but still good. That's it for